Hello, kids! Welcome to Mr. Bell's Learning Train. Start your learning journey by just watching my train. When I press this button, the objects will pop out of the carriage, like this. Are you ready for the fun journey? So let's learn the shapes. Here comes a square. It has 4 equal sides. Checkerboards has square in shape. A triangle. Triangle has 3 sides. A signboard is triangle in shape. Say hi to the circle. It has no sides. Sun is circle in shape. A rectangle? It has 2 lines bigger than the other 2. Cell phone is rectangle in shape. Now it's turn of an oval. It has a slightly stretched outline. Egg is oval in shape. Hello, semicircle. It's a half circle. Rainbow is semicircle in shape. Hi, crescent. It has a curved shape. Moon is crescent shaped. Let's meet a cone now. It has 1 sharp end. Ice cream has a cone shape. Here is a cube. It has 6 equal squares. Dice has a cube shape. Finally, meet a star. It has 5 sharp ends. Starfish looks like a real star. Are you ready to learn more? Then watch out my next train and enjoy learning. Hi, Miss Carrot. Rabbit's favorite, and it's orange in color.